Hi, this is Timo from Tibco Jaspersoft. Today I would like to demonstrate how to export JasperReportsIO report to execution to PDF and encrypt resulting PDF file using Jaspersoft ETL job. The goal of this tutorial is to introduce encryption functionality to JasperReportsIO report execution. In order to achieve that, we will need a running Jaspersoft ETL Studio with the valid license, as well as the running instance of JasperReportsIO. The basis for our job is a GET request that will output our report to PDF. Following JasperReportsIO user guide, in particular the report service chapter, we will construct the valid request. So let's test that our report execution works as expected, and we can output the results of the report execution to PDF using the REST API. Report runs fine on JasperReportsIO. We'll see the PDF output works fine as well from the browser. Alright, we're good. Okay, now let's move on to our ETL job. We will need three components to complete this task: tfile fetch, twait for file, and tfile archive. Tfile fetch downloads report export from JasperReportsIO, saves it to selected format, in our case PDF, and stores it on the file system. twait for file component is used to wait for PDF file to appear on the file system and trigger the encrypt archive step. Finally, the tfile archive encrypts our report and archives it by creating a zip file. I'd like to emphasize that I'm using context variables to have the ability to fill out component properties values. This approach introduces flexibility into your job design and is generally considered a good practice. If you'd like to learn more about ETL job context and variables, please refer to Talent Data Integration documentation. Basically, what I'm using is creating the REST API GRIO context and use that to fill out my properties using the def temp loop with the number of context variables like host port, protocol, the API endpoint, report folder format, name. You can also see the actual variables I'm using in this context tab. Some of them are prompt, meaning that I can fill them out on the fly. Okay, let's run our job now and see if we get the expected results. So the pop-up asks me to specify the report folder as well as report name and export format. So I'm using this the donut chart I've demonstrated previously and exporting to PDF. So I should get the PDF file created under my workspace and a zip file created that contains the encrypted PDF file. Okay, so PDF file is there. and the zip file should contain the PDF file encrypted and asks for password when we try to open it. Type in the password you have specified in the T-file archive component before. Alright, here we go. Okay, so since we're using the context variables, we can easily change the output format, for example, to Excel, using the pop-up menu. We should get another zip file. We will get the same zip file overridden, but containing the encrypted Excel file right now in the file system. Let's see. Of course, you could further improve this job if you like, for example, by introducing the tsendMail component and actually sending the resultant zip file to your users. Alright, that's it for today. In this video, we have learned how to introduce additional functionality into JasperReportsIO report execution. In particular, how to encrypt results in PDF and Excel files using Jasper ETL Studio job. Thanks for your time.